I'm Zach from ZR Tactical. We're on the range today and I'm going to show you how to put in the Ultramass while you're out changing springs while you're testing your gun. So one of the easiest ways, we've coined this the syringe method. Put your index finger against the back of the guide rod and kind of compress the spring like a syringe. You can feed it right into the front of the dust cover and snap it into place under the barrel. That's really all there is to it. We sell control rods as well to help guide it in, but with the Ultramass, you don't need a washer because the spring centers it in the slide. The diameter of the rod is almost the same diameter as the dust cover in the slide. So you're getting the maximum amount of mass and you don't need a fiddly washer to contend with.